today with investment work order.
Investment.
So basically its order type is PM07. So
Investments means third party.
investment, not third party. There will be involvement of third party. So basically, if is any asset which is under construction,
Okay.
means under installation,
Mhm.
you want to commission a new compressor
Mhm.
in your company.
Okay.
So what will you will do? You will bring third party as well as you will use your internal labors. So
Right.
basically, it has been involved some major cost.
Mhm.
So this costing will be tracked via PM07 work order.
Okay.
So for this, there required some budget profile from FICO side.
Okay.
So let me show you the budgeting profile. So that will be in SPRO,
Mhm.
Plan Maintenance Customer Service,
Mhm.
Maintenance Service Orders, Function and Setting for Orders, and Configure Order Type. So here you will see investment work order. So
Okay.
just double click, you will see that budget profile. So this is mandatory field
Mhm.
without which you cannot proceed. So how you will see that budget profile, where this data of the budget profile updated? It has been updated in investment management. So let me show you that also. So in SPRO, there is this is further stream investment management.
Mhm.
Okay, there will be internal order. Okay, so internal order as investment major. So here you will see planning and budgeting, and here maintain planning profile, maintain budget profile,
Mhm.
and define tolerance. Here they will maintain, and here they will update some tolerance. So what is meant by tolerance? So for this profile,
Mhm.
controlling area 1000, they have update 95%. So whenever we have given some budget and
Okay.
its cost goes 95%, system will give us the warning.
Okay.
Then it goes to 105%, system will send the mail to the responsible person that your budget has
Mhm.
over. And when it's 115%, system will not allow to proceed, give the error message, because installation commissioning activity for vendor have procuring huge cost, or there is lots of manpower is required. Then at the assignment of this activity, system will not allow you to proceed further. System will tell you that you don't have that much budget.
Okay.
And where we will allow or we will assign that budget, there is a T code. It's KO 1022. Yes. /10 KO 22. So here, once we create the order, we need to assign the budget,
Okay.
or we can change the original budget if something is missing by us, vendor is procuring huge cost, or we got the vendor who is performing activity with the less cost. So FI stream will update this new budget. Okay, so let's start. Session IW31 PM07, priority will be medium, and here I will not update any equipment because it's
Okay.
under still commissioning. Just I will enter just planning plan business area. Okay, and here let's see any activity, means commission of the compressor. compressor, work center. Cost I will say it's 500 euros required. I will not update equipment and control key. This is mandatory. So control key will be PM01. Initially, I will update PM01 and I will add one more activity with PM03. Okay. Okay, just enter. Okay, investment.
So control
Okay,
key
so there is
PM01 by like internal.
yeah. So here will be control key. So there will be some lots of activities. So there is some activity with internal labor. Okay. So some mechanical activity, electrical activity from our side. Mechanical activity. Some electrical activity. Some instrument activities. That will be done by our own labor, some civil activity. So we will assign initially control key with PM01 and the third activity will be vendor activity. So I will give okay. Okay, and this will be third party activity. Third party. Activity and it will be PM03. I will just enter external operation. Purchase group, all that things I will just enter. Basically, you will get that from material management team, everything. Okay, I will just select it in actual data. There is only one service is available with us, so I will update that service also. Gross price. So I will just go back and I will release, and here you will see estimated cost asset under construction exist. Okay, so system is telling us it's under construction, it's not updated anything. So once you will find the changes, I will just save this. Okay, so order got created. We have created this order.
It is not at.
No. Permit means here we required KO22 budgeting.
Okay.
We need to allocate budget. That is the permit for this. So we will allocate some budget for it. Okay. So let's start with budgeting activity. So just go there, KO22, enter the work order. Okay, commission of compressor. Okay, so here there is the period. So on which period you need to provide the budget. Okay, so 43200. Okay, so that has been planned cost for my, let me check in my order /OIW33. So this has been cost calculated with the operation, that operation and that third party. Okay, third party consume the cost, and you will see cost here also. Okay, so plan cost, here you will see plan cost and actual cost. I will just click on replenish budget commitment, that tab. So here you will see committed, assigned, and available. So basically, this will tell us what is cost committed, what is cost assigned, what is available quantity, means it's a cost. Okay, so I will just go back. Okay, and I will assign some cost here. So let's see, system is telling me 43,200 will be total cost as per calculation of manpower and third party. So let me give only 40,000 and try to save. So system will tell item order budget exceed. So system is not allowed to allocate that budget to this order.
Okay.
It's telling it's 36 and you are assigning it's exceeded by 36,000. The system is not allowing me. Okay. Okay, let me add some. Okay, it's got too much. Okay, and here I will it's for overall, and for this year 45,000 I will update. I will try to save. Okay, overall budget less than committed. Again, it's asking overall budget less than committed. So let me change it to same. $50,000. Enter. I will save. Okay, system has allow me to update the budget. Let me go to my order. And let's see, budget is allocated. Okay, so BUDG. So system, it's same like a permit. So without this budgeted, system will not allow us to perform the further operations. Okay, this
But this is only for investment orders, no?
correct. Only for investment order. Asset under construction, this budgeting, this also KO22, you will not have access. FICO team will perform that activity. So just go to costing, replenish budget committed. Let's see the report. Okay, so you have budgeted 50,000, 36 committed and available 14,000. So we are good. If we want any further cost, any hide cost, then there will be captured. So let's proceed. Rest step, everything is safe. So just check third party purchase requisition. Okay, we have budgeted. Okay, so we have PR. I will just enter this PR. This PR number. I will convert to PO. Just 21 and okay. Okay, just check everything is okay. No message generation. Okay. It should not give the red warning message is okay. So standard PO is created. I will just update the PO number. So right now I will update here. ME we have used the code ME21 and right now we will perform the SCS service entry sheet with ML81N with this PO. Again, this will be handled by material management team /M